Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the transient over voltage. A transient is defined as the sub-cycle disturbance in the AC waveform that is the describable as the sharp discontinuity of the waveform. अब हम यहाँ पे ट्रांजिएंट ओवर वोल्टेज की बात करते हैं। ट्रांजिएंट ओवर वोल्टेज के केस में जो है अगर वोल्टेज की बात करें तो वोल्टेज जो है प्योर साइनोसाइडल वेव फॉर्म होगा। अब यहाँ पे जो है किसी मिनिमम टाइम पीरियड पे जो है इसका एम्पलीट्यूड जो है मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड से जो है एक्सीड करता है। इससे पहले ओवर वोल्टेज का केस मैंने बताया था जिसमें कि 110% जो है हमारा एम्पलीट्यूड 110% से ज़्यादा हमारा एम्पलीट्यूड जो है इंक्रीज होता है मिनिमम टाइम ड्यूरेशन के लिए। दीज केसेस आर टेकन एज द ट्रांजिएंट ओवर वोल्टेज। The definition state that transient or sub-cycle event. Sub-cycle event that means if we are talking about the transient over voltage may be some part of the complete cycle that is known as sub-cycle, lasting less than one cycle of the AC waveform, maybe less than complete one cycle. Changes will occur in less than one cycle of AC waveform. That is known as transient over voltage. Inclusion term sub-cycle is for a sake of definition only. Routinely we transient that the span several cycles. अब इसमें जो है कई साइकिल के अंदर जो है इस तरह का चेंजेस होंगे जिनकी वजह से जो है ट्रांजिएंट ओवर वोल्टेज जनरेट होंगे। It is not fixed for a one cycle. It may be this type of event happen in many cycle in voltage waveform. Many different term are associated with the transient, such as spikes, bumps, power impulses, and surges are the terminology which is used in transient over voltage. While some of these terms may indeed describe a particular transient, such terms are not recommended due to the ambiguity. Large electromagnetic devices such as transformer, motor, critically various to the effects of transients. If we are talking about motor and transformer of the large side that produces large electromagnetic which affect the transient over voltage. Transient over voltage may affect it to large electromagnetic devices such as transformer and motor, etc. Problem arises because of sensitivity of the microelectronics devices and circuit that make up the control event of a power system. The effect of transient over voltage may be affected to the microelectronic devices and circuit make up the control element of the power system which control the power system. That means ki if we're talking about the problem of the transient over voltage may affected the sensor which uses in our transmission system that affects they may be not working operated properly due to the transient over voltage. This is the effect of the transient over voltage on our power system control elements. Type and causes of the transient. An electrical transient is a causes and affect phenomena. For a transient to occur, there must be the causes. First is atmospheric phenomena. Atmospheric phenomena may be lightning, solar flares, geomagnetic disturbance. These are comes under the atmospheric phenomena. Lightning, we know when the friction of cloud happening, then there are two layer, upper layer and lower layer. Upper layer accumulated the positive charge, and lower layer accumulated negative charges. Due to the potential difference, current will flowing in a free space causes lightning happens. Geomagnetic, as we know, our Earth is behaving a magnet north and south, and magnetic line passing accordingly. If any changes, yeah, any disturbance in our geomagnetic magnetic flux, yeah, magnetic lines causes produces disturbance. Next is switching load on or off. If we are talking about the load are two types. Basically, most of load are inductive. If highly inductive load disconnected to our distribution system, then the over voltage transient may be generated for a minimum time duration. If we are connecting the capacitor bank for a improvement of the power factor, it may lead to generate the transient over voltage. These are the causes by which transient over voltage are generated. Next, interruption of the fault current. Uh, our distribution system have large geographical area. Anywhere due to natural and due to any other problem, there will be the short circuit between two conductors, maybe line to line, line to ground, double line to ground, yeah, three line fault occurring, causes interruption of the fault or over voltage transient may be generated. These are the important causes which are responsible to generate over voltage. Or if we are talking about if heavy load is disconnecting to our distribution system, causes over voltage transient will be generated. In the next, switching of the power line. If power line connected to the distribution system may lead to generate transient over voltage. And last is switching of the capacitor bank. Sometimes we are using capacitor bank for a power factor improvement in a distribution end, lead to generate transient over voltage. First, we have to take some cases which are responsible to generate transient over voltage. First is capacitor switching, as I shown the figure. This is the substations, monitor location, feeder impedance. This is the capacitor. This is the switch. Through the switch we connect the bus, AC bus, to the capacitor bank. On a drawback to the use of capacitor is the acceleratory transient. When switched, some capacitor are energized all the time while other are switched according to the load level. If we are talking about the capacitor bank switching, then some of capacitor is always connected to the our AC bus system, while remaining capacitor will switch according to the load level के अकॉर्डिंग जो है remaining कैपेसिटर को जो हम कनेक्ट करते हैं AC बस से. अगर जो है लाइट लोड कनेक्ट है उस केस में जो है कैपेसिटर को कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. अगर हेवी लोड लगा हुआ है हेवी लोड लगा हुआ है उस केस में जो है कैपेसिटर को कनेक्ट कर देते हैं, अगर लाइट लोड होता है तो उस केस में जो है कैपेसिटर को डिसकनेक्ट कर देते हैं। इन केस अगर जो है लाइट लोड की कंडीशन में अगर कैपेसिटर को जो है हम टर्न ऑन कर दिए उस केस में जो है ओवर वोल्टेज ट्रांजिएंट जो है जनरेट हो जाता है। अब यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे दिस इज द टाइम इन मिली सेकेंड एंड वोल्टेज इज द इन परसेंटेज -150, 100, -50, 0, 50, 100, 150. This is the you can see this waveform of the our voltage. This is the negative maximum amplitude of the voltage and this is the positive maximum amplitude of the voltage. Here a minimum time period the amplitude is exceeded from the maximum positive amplitude of the voltage that generated transient over voltage. This is the transient over voltage, and this type of fluctuation is started from here to around 20 millisecond, and similarly next cycle is next cycle is properly, this is the smooth cycle from 20 millisecond to 70 millisecond. The overshoot will generate transient 1.0 to 2 per unit depending on system damping. In case the transient observed, the monitoring location is about 1.34%. Utility capacitor switching transient itna has been observed near the theoretical maximum. Next source can be taken as lightning. Lightning is the natural phenomena. Earlier I discussed about the lightning. Lightning is the potent source of impulsive transient. Lightning is the source of impulsive transient. Impulsive transient का मतलब एम्पलीट्यूड जो है मैक्सिमम वैल्यू से एक्सीड होगा मिनिमम टाइम पीरियड के लिए. इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइटनिंग, दिस इज द नेचर ऑफ लाइटनिंग इज impulsive transient will be generated if the most obvious conduction path occur during the direct strike to the phase wire either on a primary or secondary side of the transformer. If lightning is generated in above our transmission system, near transmission system, it may be directed straight to the phase wire either in primary side or secondary side of transformer, causes over voltage transient may be generated. While most surge current may eventually be dissipated into the ground connection closest to strike, there will be subtly surge current flowing in other connected ground conductor in first few microsecond of a strike. If we are talking about our transformer or transmission system, there will be the grounding is there. If lightning strike to the any phase of the conductor, then that was the grounded through the neutral. And sometime we are using lightning arrestor. Arrestor is the metal which provides high resistance for power at a power frequency and low resistance for a high frequency. Causes if lightning is happening near to the arrestor absorb that lightning and grounded, which protect our transmission system, generating system, whatever we have. This is the typical diagram of lightning. Lightning is strike here. Here is the ground. where the lightning grounded through this path. If lightning is occur here, this is the grounded through this path. If lightning is occur here, this is grounded through this path. And if lightning is happening in this point, this is grounded through the neutral wire. These are the concept of lightning. A direct strike to phase conductor generally causes the line flashover near the strike point. If we are talking about if lightning is direct strike to the phase conductor, maybe that generated flashover near the strike points. Not only does this generate an impulsive transient, but it causes fault with accompanying voltage sag interruption. Lightning does not have actual strike and conductor inject impulse into the power system. Lightning always injected the impulse into the power system. Lightning may simply strike near the line, induce an impulse by the collapse of the electric field. Lightning may also strike the ground near the facility, causing local ground reference considerably the force current ground. The two, the winding to ground capacitance may be greater than the winding to winding capacitance. More of the impulse may be actually be coupled to the ground of the secondary. Sometime if we have a transformer, this is the primary winding, this is the secondary winding. We are arranging the some arrangement, the inductance between winding and grounding, and inductance between two windings. Each more causes lightning is grounded through this. Thank you very much.